So, ये game, it's basically a press conference. One guy will be holding a press conference to announce something. One girl will be holding a press conference to announce something. But जो भी announce करेगा, she has no clue whatsoever who she is and what the thing is about. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Who wants to go out? हाथ उठाइए. Okay. KK will go out. जाइए. Run. Okay, don't. अभी नहीं बजाए. Now I need them and now anyway. So give me a dead person who is not alive.
Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson. Okay. So Michael Jackson. So Michael Jackson. Now, if you were to attend Michael Jackson's press conference, what you want it to be? Some event related to Michael Jackson. Anything. I'm not asking an actual question.
What is the question again?
Global warming.
Michael Jackson on global warming? Okay, anybody wants to add something to that? Michael Jackson on global warming. So Michael Jackson is giving a press conference yes, announcing his support for global warming. So we want these two keywords, okay? Michael Jackson and global warming from her. So, where is she? Okay, she's here. At the count of 3, we'll shout KK, okay? KK, simple. 1, 2, 3. KK!
Hello and welcome to my conference. I'm very happy that all of you are here. Please move forward so that we are more audible in this sound. Many people are holding conferences here. Yeah, start up with your questions.
So, sir, I'm from LA Times. So my question is, whatever you're going to announce today, it's for a big cause. So, are you going to raise money by doing some tours?
Well, I have not done that for a very long time, but nowadays, yeah, why not? If people are still interested, yes, sure.
Sir,
Yes.
is Al Gore your inspiration?
Al Gore is my inspiration in the case of, yes, sometimes I do take inspiration in for the kind of environmental specific work he's doing. He got the prize also. Yes, sure.
Hello, madam. Hello, sir. Sorry. Mistake. Anyway, sir, you have come back. And I know it is exciting for you. But are your fans more scared or more excited that you have come back?
I don't think there is any necessity for them to be scared of me. There is, the way I look is nothing got to do with how I feel in heart. I'm a very soft-hearted person. But yeah, so it's nothing, there's nothing to be scared of, yeah.
Is it true that you do a lot to the world? Is that the same reason you wanted to have children from all the continents?
Yes, well, kind of. It's not only, I don't think it was only my idea to have the children. It was actually somebody special's idea. And I'm very soft at heart.
Yes, we can see that.
Yes.
So, sir,
Yes.
who taught you dancing? I
Well-
mean, we are a great fan of your dance. Yes, sir.
Well, actually, I learnt it. It's the true story that I learnt it in the back streets, back alleys of LA. People don't know that yet. But yes, I went there. I put on some makeup and dress so that I would look like them.
Sir,